Today we'll be talking how to sort by and add custom lists in Excel, and we will start with a short list. And when we want to sort seasons alphabetically, so on the date tab we can go to sort A to Z. So I have select one cell in column A and A to Z. It means 4 is the first one, but it isn't the case for us. So Control Z now, and we can select only one cell and go to sort command, sort window, and here we can choose our seasons and order by custom list. But we don't have now a list of seasons. We have days of the week and months. I even add one custom list before, and we can see that this list I can delete. The default for Excel list cannot be deleted. So let's just add here new list. So first is spring, then we have summer, and we have to enter, and fall, enter, and winter, and we can now just add this list and we can sort by this list. So okay, and we have the same results, but let's check. So I will be sorting by those values, and now I will try sort by my seasons and our custom list I created before. So spring, summer, fall, and okay, and we have the order we wanted. And when we have larger list, we can create those custom lists in another way. So we should select all values, then go to File, Options, Advanced tab, go to the end of it, and here we can find Edit Custom List button, and here we have one additional option. We can import custom list from range, and because I selected this range before I come here, we can see this range, so we can just import it, and we have another custom list. So okay, now press OK and escape from options, Excel options, and once again let's sort the income, and then our sort window, planet, and custom list, Mercury, Venus, and even Pluto. Okay, and we have the order based on our custom list.